So today we're gonna pair the Colmi smartwatch, that is the P8, pairing with the iPhone. So I've got already the watch unboxed. Unboxing video is out just in case if you guys want to know. And I have also powered on the smartwatch. Basically, you need to see the side of the box. It shows the app Colmi Fit. So there are two ways to do this. Open your camera and scan the QR code. It can show you the link at the bottom. Click on that. It will directly lead you to the app store, Colmi Fit, or you can just search this word out if you have thrown away the box and you just need to install this one. Open the app, allow for Bluetooth, allow for notification, and just enter your profile. I'm going to enter my profile. Okay, once you press next, this is what you're going to see, the front page. So you're going to add the device, allow while using the app, and directly you can see the P80. Just click on that. It's going to request for pairing, allow. As you can see, the watch has directly paired with the phone. Let's see if there's any indication. Yeah, on top also right there you can see the connection status. So well, that's all. Basically that's how you pair the Colmi smartwatch, the P80 model, to your iPhone. So hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, leave a like, subscribe to this channel for more content just like this, and also tech reviews. Catch you guys in the next one.